Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can use the Oraimo blender. You can see right, it is not brand new because it has been used, but I just put it inside to show you the unboxing experience of this blender. So in case you just have it, you don't know how to use it, in this video I will show you how you can set up, how you can assemble it, and how to use the Oraimo blender. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, as I said, this is not an unboxing video, but if you buy it newly, this is how it looks. You can see it, right? So now if you bring it from the carton, you can see from the carton, you can bring this one here. You can also bring this here. So these are the two things that come from the carton, and also a manual. But the manual is not right here. As I said, this is not an unboxing video. The carton is empty. So now how do you use this blender? If you just get it, it's very simple. If you come right here, this is called the control knob. You can see this one here, this line. Once this line stays on 0, means it is off. If it stays on 1, means it's on, but speed 1. If it stays on 2, means speed 2. So this very function here, P here, stands for pause, and its main function is to give you an instant manual control of the blender motor. Unlike speed 1 and 2 that can run continuously until you turn them off, the control P only allows you to run the blender as long as you hold the die in place. But immediately you release your hand from it, the die spring goes back to 0 and the motor stops working. So the blender will go off. That's how the control P works. So now how do you assemble it and start using it? You can see this one here. Just bring it right here and plug it on the socket. You can see. So from this one here, we have a small one inside. So you can open it from here. Just can open the cover. So you can bring the other one inside. You can see this one, right? So we have a two of these. This one here is used to blend things that are dry, things like crayfish, like granite, dry things. While this one here is used to blend, maybe to make like smoothie, to do like a fruit juice and other things. This one you can blend them, understand? So now how do you put it and now start to blend? It's very simple. Now come closer and show you here. Bring camera closer. Now to make it very simple to fuse it, look at how this is, right? You can open this one right here. You can see you can put your crayfish inside here. This is how the teeth looks like. If you put crayfish inside here, you can bring this one like this and then close it back. If you close it back, inside is crayfish, then you bring it this way. Now to make it easier for you to fix it very well, just bring it right here and then drop it. You can see right now it doesn't lap freely. Just keep turning it until once it laps freely. You can see it has lapped freely. If I take it up, it's not yet click. You can see, so just hold it like this and then you can see right now it has entered. So I cannot start blending. How do I start? Just put on your power here, on your light. Warning, please don't blend when it is empty. The reason for this quick blending is for tutorial and demonstration purpose. On your light, you can see, just bring this one here, right closer. Just bring this one here and just turn it on. You can see it start to blend. You can see just gear 1. See the 0 here means it's off. Gear 1 and gear 2, it has blended. After that, just hold it like this and now turn this way and then bring your thing and then remove it from here and then bring out your crayfish or any dry product. Then this how this one is used to grind things that are dry like crayfish, any dry thing. So you can keep this one here. So now for this other one, as I said, this one you can blend things like maybe like fruit juice, smoothie and stuff like that. It's very simple. How do you put it inside? Also same thing, just bring it right here. You can see, look at how it is, the back is, right? You can see, right? You can also remove it from here. You can put your things inside. You can bring it also and then drop it here, allow it to fall freely. You can see it has fallen, but now just hold it and turn it. You can see right now, once it just clicks, you can raise it up with your hand by holding it here. You can see. So after that, just bring the cover here and then put it right here and then scroll it. You can see this one go like this. You can see it's click. Then you can come right here like this You can see it begins to blend your things inside. You can see also this one at the cover here, you can remove this small cover here. Maybe if you're blending anything, you can use a small stick and then try to press it on something that you can blend very well. After that, you can close it again and then see. So after that, you can now remove it. See, then open your cover and then turn it on your cup and start drinking. So that is it. That's how you can actually use your Oraimo blender. It's very simple. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye.